In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best box cutter available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. This FC product is a wonderful alternative if you're looking for a cheap folding utility knife. Even though this product is little, the utility of its sharp blade will pleasantly surprise you. Let's have a look at what this knife has to offer. First and foremost, let's discuss the utility knife's design. We enjoy how you can fold the blade with only one button press. This makes the knife safer by reducing the need to bring your fingers near the blade's sharp edges. Furthermore, the carbon steel design ensures that the blades remain sharp for a long time, reducing the risk of them becoming blunt. We also appreciate how simple it is to replace the blades on this utility knife. The firm has also included 5 extra blades with the package, and thanks to the anodized aluminum body, this utility knife can withstand many falls on the floor without being damaged. The nicest feature of this folding box cutter, however, is perhaps its small size, which allows you to carry it in your pocket. Are you seeking for a box cutter that is both effective and safe to use? If that's the case, this slice box cutter will be ideal for you. This box cutter features robust blades in addition to a new design for increased usability. The rectangular box cutters with retractable metal blades are what most of us remember from our childhood. Slice does things a little differently, and they've just released a brand new box cutter that's easy to use. Furthermore, the tool's distinctive handle accommodates both left and right-handed users. The slice box cutter's zirconium oxide ceramic blade is one of its most notable characteristics. These blades are far more durable than metal counterparts. Furthermore, if a blade becomes dull, you can replace it with your bare hands without risking injury. Furthermore, while cutting, only 0.5 inches of the blade is exposed, making the box cutter safer. For individuals who have a propensity of losing their tools, the handle even contains a lanyard hole. Do you want to give someone a utility knife as a present? If so, this one from FantastiCAR is a terrific option because it comes in 5 gorgeous metallic colors. In addition, the manufacturer includes a lovely package with spare blades. So, let's have a look at all of the qualities that this knife has to offer. When looking for utility knives, we concentrate on the blade quality. A stainless steel blade is included with this cutting tool. The SK5 blades can withstand heavy-duty use while remaining sharp for a long time. It can even sever strong materials like rope, plastic, fur, and water pipelines. This utility knife has the best safety lock out of all the ones we looked at, shielding the blade from accidental exposure, which can be dangerous. This knife is very easy to use because it simply requires a simple push to open. This knife is 4.1 inches long and weighs about 4 ounces, making it a pocket or purse-friendly utility. Slice is a firm that has reimagined the box cutter and offered us with high-end products with ceramic blades. Although this box cutter is small, it features the same fundamental components as larger slice devices. Are you seeking for a tool that can handle a variety of cutting jobs? If that's the case, the Slice Tiny Box Cutter will come in handy, as its ceramic blade can cut through a variety of materials. This charming gadget, however, may be used on vinyl flooring sheets, plastic, card, and even foam. Slice has done an excellent job with its tiny design, which allows it to fit in your palm. It also features a textured slider to prevent your finger from slipping when cutting. You may also replace the blades of this slice box cutter by pressing a button. The blade can be put facing left or right, depending on your desire, because this tool is ambidextrous. Home Planet is one of the most well-known utility knife manufacturers today, and this is one of their best-selling products. It's designed for people who have a lot of cutting and packing to do. Among the tools we looked at, this one featured the most features that were worth investigating. First and foremost, we must discuss the box cutter's unique retractable blade. This tool offers 4 blade length positions, which is more than any other device we evaluated. We like it best when the blade is exposed for 1 inch, as it makes it easier to cut through thick cardboard packing. Apart from that, we appreciate Home Planet including a unique shaped handle in this box cutter. The handle allows you to hold the knife for extended periods of time without becoming tired or sore. Furthermore, this cutter's sharp blade is reversible, allowing a single blade to last a long period. For the SK5 utility blades, there is an additional quick-release blade storage container. In addition, the manufacturer includes 5 additional blades with the box cutter, so you won't have to buy them as often. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.